very nice place. Aha, at the red clay. Now said the old share aeroplane sisi ha. Train I sisi ha. Any railway lines, any adan sisi ha. Now we're dining na who nyina aye bem breaks are dying kwano. And inti eno moto heading red clay. Na uwura mu a edan ye di kan no eye dan a shoe shine boxes nko a na egugum. Ena afi eye eniema wodo omanfo de aye nyuma mre bi atwam. Artist Ibrahim MAHAMA na dwen ne se ye draw obi a aya na niema bebre ayira ye draw sa ayi Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ni a ne ho sent wonte atade a hye no wonte nti se sa niema no wo ho a obetumi a preserve no de agu ho no manfo ba ya ka ho abakosem no wahu no agidi se no nso eye art no ebia enti sa niema egu ha de ohu no ewo ha eye world war nipa eprepra ye stretchers a yede wo mu egugu so enti wohua bi a wote sent a ewo wo mu a ni nyina no ema wokae sa bre no enti abra a wo mo de wona mu no wo mo ka aha abakosem ekyerew wo hwe koko saka ahodo boto a yede koko gum ba bi efiri ba ene de yede aso koko ibi eno a na mu a me yede esan de be ye chako anase jabidie yede gum ti sa boto ne sen hana obehu a wo mo ka ho abakosem ekyerew in fact aha a different tourist site a oba ebie wadwem na wo free sa dan na owura the next dan a ɛhɔ na obehunu engine aeroplane engine a Ibrahim MAHAMA eto de chair Ibrahim MAHAMA a wono woye art okuni akohu school age abodin no Ibrahim MAHAMA baako ono ye John Dramani MAHAMA ninia a wono nso eye businessman Weskapa the aeroplane engine eba be chair Ibrahim MAHAMA a woye art in fact wo mamie no papa nom efie edi nhwani mu wo mamie no papa nom contractor for a chese tamale ha na wo mo ewo na ha nso abakosem no niema wo ha ne bi enwanwa yentie kakra
engines we were different engines we into barbershop we are engine aircraft turbo fan it's we aeroplane engine na here papa Ibrahim MAHAMA former president's brother engineer no
okay
another chair artist Ibrahim MAHAMA because say in na obi ahwe social media adaroma story to be travel far it will nyanko for politicians even normal people mama say no idea we so fie I think this is important say quality to be sure ade here me dey see ho ma turn new one okay and mo family say na mo so musu an kola ni efendi agon hwe se na mo tumi aden I aboma omo bra afa okay it will sure we a turbo fan we a propeller engine
okay
it's we a jet engine now we a propeller
okay okay
we a modern equipment you can modern society now e ka ho you can modern society has always ka ho
wo free ha e na abehunu aeroplane a eno nso no ansa na be kwa aeroplane ha okra no railway line ya wo hui na nsa ya wo mu yo ye kire kakra epia chese nade no kwa mo fa so hihye ye epeja bi ehihye ni nyina chese na wo mo chese ye nananom no wo mo wo renta so honhom ene nti no wo mutumi yes aniema yi enti ye nso yenye bi ntoa so we ye train ahodo a ni nyina aye adwu organ na happen ene nti wo ba ha wo mo kire ho abakosem wo try no a aeroplane ye si hoi said ye ohunu no aye adwu organ na happen ti wo ba ho abakosem wo betumi asua na wo wura mu a wo mo aye no classroom ICT classroom ene so ho nsem kakra eni
what every computer needs. It's a computer be also a graphic designer. You need a different one. We a video director. You need a different computer. It's a MacBook na the board na want to be into. We need to make body one workstation. See we computer we using a workstation. Want to be to two parts no ma facing in our back. Want to be no ma facing back. It's a classroom air 2. And there's two TVs. TV back on the form no. If you see other side now afi it's some doors wa na ya chim ni be consider bars because we was want to be full access the teacher let na they are all teacher the computer no so mo mo TV no so
okay
just some simple it's about for computers normal build crack but First one started with private schools. I'm okay. Privileged. But never community I be I didn't because education is low. About 12 go up on school. And see, I didn't know what kind of ground I see. What I know so I share. And see, all those more dreams say obeko foom. Or dreams say obeko teachers in. It's not say engagement need more. Say come on family say no more kasa say sometimes we want scholarships. Sometimes we be to just make it possible. It's not easy. Sometimes we pay classes teachers more. Some post school no classes to prepare them to understand this. First one, they're not school, say no school, papa. It's not easy. But with the government school, I will crash here there. Teachers no more money, but say I want them money. Share here. I call na kasa na ne papa say unko fum, and all ba et number. And obedru GSS no almost started school. I say from primary there, I won't say class no be 50 students. Almost do class 4 now about say 30. But I do GSS na 20 or class and not 10. Almost really and now I'm going cry. I'm going to teach my page my. So realize that there's something that is always cutting, stopping them. How do we mitigate all that? And that is what art is. If it's life. So I can say art is life now. This is the life we are dealing. This is our audience. These are their situations. The person building the sewing the sack no. Or no go and cry. I call you ya ko piska dia be wale. So beto chance, beto ntuma akwa wale. So so ko ye bi. We go for bar say there's a dream in Accra. But they don't know all the other things. But the dream can be also here. If you bring the things closer, it will be a different dream. Accra and I answer issue.
Usia private planes and a war hey. Oko anymore. Womo aya etusa aya sa tank here. Womo de kwahye fom. Na no nso ebe ya de nwanwa.
Obutumi ba, you say. I'm on the train now on na man to know. They did new work. And working a share no.
Okay.
Working a share no.
Okay.
We have fuel tank on my. But fuel tank they could see inside war. It be too from now bury no. I was my father underground question. Now they say you are in underground, you are in the fuel. How do you think now?
Okay.
So
this one
what's your bar?
Enko.
It's what someone what did be say that. But I'm on challenge. So how do you challenge people? Yeah. On the number the honest can't be any. But see, artists are challenging. Entrance no crash here. Oh, entrance names.
Okay.
It's over film around inside. And so we see your tower.
To why I actually there now.
Maybe I should name.
Yes, empty.
It is not so to be now. I am Colano. They are going to fan. Extra baby. But maybe Auntie has seen here.
Just say, near me or hanging on and to say train ya, is this here? Won't be converted at the hotels. We free wha, sa cars, yes, here so, a casa, and also who are back with some, and no more build a tamale. O twas so qua, when so a greenhouse, a danya, yet womb, now we mobile build no to a different level. Just say twatwaso sa ani nyina na yabakosem na akire wono na abehunu sewing machines asa sewing machines yi sewing machine a say anya adwuma na nso aye adwuma mre bi atwam enkonwa mpo esisi ho no enkonwa na ewo classrooms a ebia watena bi so pan ye nim school a akoye de ebia na enkonwa watena so na esi ya no ebia wo story blackboard say wa ha emu bia e was story. In fact, anytime bia baba tamale no if you tamale ba ha besi ma aduonu ne kakra na wetumi aduru ha omodin abra ha na besua ade a che say e ma wadwen ne wo thinking e yes strong ko sempo show na apesa obo a wo mo hall kese bi wo ha wo mo de year wonders live from the red clay I watamale empatamu within the KOFI adoma mawani. Don't forget say didi true green foods adaroma bem wanya che ntia ya na wa odabi na wadi very good for health. Ghana nuane ya but omo wɔ US ti mo wɔ America ne UK ne Germany mo nyina betumi order bi na mo adi na mo atumi anyi akyɛ sanso ɛna tap send fa send sika fa free ama no ne fa bra fie ɛno ɛna abusua ani ɛbɛgye tap no an obi tap de send sika ɛde ba fie sese sanso ɛna rapid courier niema na wato esi abrochie no fama omo de beba ntem within 5 days na bedru Ghana the fastest so far and very reliable omo aye adwuma no ache mo am wo Europe ene mo am wo US mo take advantage sanso ena malata African market ope Ghana aduane Ghana ntoma anything Ghana ko ho omo wo New York Bronx neko enjoy omo niema omo e de Africa Ghana aba no ebi na wa be hunu say yes enjoyment pa and kai na shanenso say insurance hu hia afufuro na yasimo no insure hu na insure abusuafo abra wa abrochire edinti na me say insurance papa de eno any diaspora insurance won be insure fine ai won be insure correct pa na asembi to abrochire ana asembi to abusuafo Ghana womo gina mama frɛ womo ye promotion bi kan hwe womo se me na me ka se frɛ womo be check se womu amwate aseye na wa insure na da bi asem nti ene ye dokoto kwadu a ye jam nkanya ne dundum Italian solar technology womo be solar ofie ho nyina amfa ma why womo be ye solar na ma wanya nkania woni problem kra
Ubetimi do want to true green foods on kwaso. Say enuania, we hear se ubeti na a preventing enyaruwebi et say hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol, and all sorts of metabolic diseases, say stroke, cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and in a for and one need true green foods. Ebusu wo US ho pese wait so etikakra and now we maintain no kono true green foods na ebeye homa na ye fe didu obi afre
703 300 5039 and 703 670 3640.
True green foods apomezin kwara chom.
Me did young antechua, and maybe I'm discovered for Europe. I come a bushing for Ghana. No, me used to tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Eye easy, eye convenient, eye fast, and sounds so free. Won't you share? Me discover ye map tap send. Intienne also download the tap send app. No, ever mobile phone so free. Na first ka come a bushing for Ghana for na tap send. Papa no.
Hello, love.
Gary, do you have Mommy's parcel for her big day?
The shipping company says it will take 1 month.
A month? Gary, use Rapid.
Rapid?
Rapid courier ships from the United States to Ghana and 9 other African countries within 3 to 5 days. Log on to rapidgroup.com, buy, ship to us, and we deliver right to your doorstep.
That fast?
Yes, that's Rapid for you. Can you sign this?
I thought you only ordered Mommy's parcel.
No, I ordered a few car parts too.
Are you too busy to shop? We will shop for you. Rapid also has a luggage delivery service, so you can make that extra luggage and we will deliver at the lowest rate. Locate Rapid Courier on the Spinters Road off the Lekma Road.
Rapid Courier. Just shop. We deliver. Enjoy.
Malata African market and I'm Papa African market.
Order for so blonze ha. Now open African market Papa Didra. Mwakuma to yemu dia. Malata African market edemu sronko. Smoked fish, meat, dry fish, so kenki, rice, yam, fufu flour ni nnuane ahodo e free Africa. Afei, ye want to ma papa. Bonwire kente, adamumase kente, ahwene ahodo. Ani nneoma bebre na wobenya wo Malata African market. Hwehwe ye chi akwan ene number e wo screen so. Malata African market mu King Kong.
Malata African market and I'm Papa African market and Malata African market.
At Diaspora Insurance, we understand the importance of dignified send-offs within Ghanaian culture and traditions. We also understand that you want to avoid the double trauma of your family grieving and not having the financial support to cover funeral expenses when you're not around. With our Diaspora Funeral Cash Plan, you can now cover yourself or your family in Ghana or abroad. With no medicals required, we'll accept you if you are under 75 years. Visit our website today or call us to complete a simple form in under 5 minutes. With Diaspora Insurance, your